Unlock the power of your Beehiiv newsletter by mastering the art of effective link integration. Today, we're diving deep into how to use links in Beehiiv to skyrocket your traffic and engagement across both your newsletters and your website first. Let's tackle the most common way to add links: clickable text. In your Beehiiv editor, simply highlight the text you want to make clickable, then look for the link icon in your toolbar, a circumflex euros. It usually looks like a chain. Click it, and a small window will pop up. Here, paste the full URL of the website or page you want a link to for external links that you want to keep your readers on. It's best practice to check the box that says Open in New Tab. This ensures your reader can easily return to your newsletter. Click Save or Insert. See, your text is now a dynamic, clickable link, ready to guide your readers wherever you desire. This is perfect for referencing articles, products, or other important resources. But what about making a bigger impact? Buttons are your best friend for driving clear calls to action in your website editor, or even within some newsletter layouts. You'll find a button element. Drag and drop a button onto your page or into your newsletter, then click on it to customize its appearance and, most importantly, its destination. Just like with text links, you'll enter the URL you want the button to lead to give your button clear, action-oriented text like "Visit our shop," "Download now," or "Learn more." Again, consider opening external links in a new tab for a seamless user experience. Buttons create a visually appealing and direct path for your audience, making it incredibly easy for them to take the next step you want them to. Remember to always test your links. Make sure they go to the correct destination and open as intended. By strategically using clickable text and eye-catching buttons, you'll significantly boost your content's interactivity and drive more valuable traffic to your desired locations.